You can see it now.
Well, yes. Thank you,
Good. How was?
Marina. Thank you so much for your time and everything. Wow.
No, no, thank you. You've been very helpful every time I needed. So,
Okay.
yeah,
That's great.
definitely
I,
appreciate your
yeah,
help.
it won't take too much time.
Okay.
Okay. The question is, what was your situation before you meet me, before you came to Southwest?
Yes. So I had a back pain. It was sharp pain that I couldn't pretty much bend or move around. It was going on for a couple of days. I think I pulled a throughout my back, and nothing seemed to relieve the pain. So when I call a regular doctor, just told me take Advil. Pretty much waited a couple more days,
No,
but yeah.
that was it. Okay. And what kind of problems did you have with your pain, with that back pain?
Yeah, it was problem was it was hard to move, right? Pretty much it was almost constant pain. I couldn't sit down or bend. It was very wasn't sure what was the cause of it, right? I wasn't sure if it was a muscle spasm or
Mhm.
something else. So something
Oh,
happened
okay.
in the
But were
back.
you able to work to?
Yeah, I was
um,
not able pretty much to work because there was a lot of pain.
mhm.
Because I couldn't sit for a long time, so it was hard to find the position. Pretty much laying down, I think, was the only position that kind of was.
And you
Yeah.
cannot work like that.
Yes. When I was walking, it was painful. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. And can you describe that pain that you had?
It was pretty sharp, pulling pain,
Mhm.
like blanch heart pain.
Okay. And how that make you feel?
Oh, of course, I'm happy.
Happy, right?
Hard to do anything. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And what were the things that you couldn't do because of the pain?
Yes, it was hard to move. Like I said, hard to bend or sit down. Any position change pretty much would cause the pain.
Oh, okay. And how did you feel when you couldn't do such things like working, walking, sitting, emotionally?
Emotion, of course, it was very frustrating and stressful because you can when you can do regular things, you cannot pretty much get through your day without pain.
I know
Yes.
that's not good. And what have you tried before you came to Southwest?
Um, I was trying to apply some creams, pain relief creams, taking some Advil. Um,
Yeah.
wasn't doing much of a movement because I wasn't sure, if I'm gonna make
What is,
her worse, yes or not, or it's gonna actually help.
oh, okay.
Yes.
But you didn't see the doctor or anything?
I called the doctor just to see, what should I do, and they said take Advil for a couple of days and then see if you feel better, if it relieves the pain, then come. Maybe we'll do something like we'll see what else.
Something. And that didn't work, right? Just the
No, yeah, it wasn't working much. Yeah, so I was looking for some other ways to relieve the pain.
yeah. And you thought that was going to get worse, or you thought you're gonna get better?
Well, I was hoping to get better, but I wasn't sure if I'm not gonna do much, if it's how fast it's gonna get better or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when that situation changed?
Well, after your visit, definitely, I was able to. After like that first visit, I was able to walk freely.
Oh,
Um, the pain was not there. Like I still felt a little bit, but definitely, like I could move around.
oh,
It was a big relief of the pain for sure.
I see. And what happened? You remember in our first meeting?
Um, well, the first impression I got was
Yeah.
when we talked about and you explained, what you thought it was. Definitely felt trustworthy and was open to new experience, to try something different, because I haven't done anything like that before. Yeah. And then definitely after the visit, I felt very, grateful and relieved, because I could feel the difference before and after, big difference. So definitely like I was in the right place.
Okay. And when did you realize that you were in the right place and that was the solution for your pain?
Yeah, definitely felt during the visit. I already start feeling, that when I was moving around during the visit, like I could feel better, and after the visit, definitely
Okay.
it was a big relief.
Yeah. And what kind of result did you have?
Well, pain was pretty much gone after first visit. After a couple of visits, I definitely fully was back to normal. No more pain. It not just the pain, but overall, I feel like felt very relaxed more. The whole body was more awake.
Oh,
Let's say.
That's good.
Yeah.
Right. And Marina, on a scale from 1 to 0, when 1 was the worst treatment ever and it didn't work, and 10 would be the best treatment that you ever had, how would you rate it?
Well, your visit was definitely 10.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. And why would you recommend start with myofascial release?
Yes, definitely. And I've been brought my daughter, my husband after that, and I definitely, like, every chance I have when somebody have any issues, definitely like to recommend your place, because especially when people look for like non-traditional, let's say not medicated way of relieving the pain, this is definitely a great place to start. Yeah.
Okay, great. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much for what you do. I appreciate it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you very much. Bye.